Okay, this is our machine basting. You can see we have nice long stitches. Just a reminder, you set your machine on the longest stitch length and then go ahead and stitch across. Okay, basting stitches are usually taken out later, so you probably do not want to back stitch at the beginning or the end. Okay, now for the hand basting, what we're going to do is I'm going to thread my needle. So I've got my thread through my needle, and to tie a knot in the end, I'm going to take my thread and wrap it around my finger. You can see it's crisscross. I'm going to roll it off of my finger and take my middle finger and pull back, and I get a knot. Okay, I'm going to do that one more time and pull it back. I'm going to make sure that it catches when I roll that off. Sometimes I get a big ugly knot like this with a little loop in it, but that's no big deal. Okay, I can always trim that loop off later. Okay, now make sure that the thread that's pulled through is not doubled all the way down. You want to always stitch with the undoubled part of your thread. So we're going to take the fabric now, and we're just going to go in and out. Okay, always looking at the right side of the fabric or the top side. I'm just going to feed the fabric onto your needle as many times as possible, depending on the thickness of your fabric. And then go ahead and pull it through until your knot catches place. And since we're going to come back and take this out later, like you do most of the time with basting stitches, we just want it to hold at this end. So I'm going to just take another back stitch, just another stitch kind of back into where I was, and then go ahead and trim or snip. So I've got a little bit of a tail, this tail of thread right here, and that is our hand basting as opposed to our machine basting.